Hi guys, I hope you had a great weekend. This is your weekly video to explain all of the activities that you have for the week. We are going to be having a virtual meeting every weekday at 10 o'clock on Google Meet. So you can log into It's Learning and go to the announcements section to click on the link, just like some of you guys did, and then you'll hit join now. So I hope that I can see you guys at 10 o'clock. We're going to be doing some fun things like reading books together, sharing our projects, really making it as similar to our classroom as possible. If you don't have a camera on your computer, you can also join with the phone. So you see the phone number down here and the PIN number that you'll type in. So I'm really excited for this week because we are going to be learning all about bridges. You guys will have another STEM challenge that you can complete. We're going to start by reading about engineers with Rosie Revere Engineer, which is part of the same series as Iggy Peck Architect. So I hope you like that book. We're going to read it together at our morning meeting at 10 o'clock on Monday. But if you're not able to come or you want to read it again, you can log into Epic Books. You'll type in the class code and hit go, and then you'll choose your name. Now it only works from 8 to 4 unless all right, so you can say I'm a grown-up and log in. There's a free remote access, so you can try it without a credit card. Obviously, I'm talking to parents right now, but it works just fine during school hours, so you shouldn't have a problem with that one. But what it's going to look like, it'll give you Rosie Revere Engineer. So we're going to read this book together, and then you're going to actually choose an activity from the other book that's titled Rosie Revere's Big Project Book for Bold Engineers. So you'll choose an activity. You might want to do more than one. You are welcome to do as many as you want to. Some of them have different materials. Some of them just use paper. So pick one that works with the stuff that you have. And then if you're able to come to our meeting on Tuesday, then you can share the work that you did with that. So the book is called Rosie Revere's Big Project Book for Bold Engineers. And as you kind of scroll through, it makes sense once you've read it, but it has all these engineering treasure things that you can look at. See if you have any of these things around your house. Think about, you can make a list. One of the activities is you can make a list of different things around your house. It would be engineering treasure. Think about questions that you have and problems that you'd want to solve, because all engineering starts with a question, as we'll talk about when we get into our bridges lesson. You can read about all different kinds of engineers. Word search might be a little bit tricky, but you can do a hunt around your house for simple machines, which would be really cool. Talk about your favorite invention and redesign it. So there's all different kinds of things. If you have these materials and your parents are okay with you making a catapult, you are welcome to make a catapult. Man, I would love to see pictures or videos of that. And it just keeps going, all kinds of different things. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. This book you can absolutely come back to anytime. So there's some really, really cool things in here. So I can't wait to see what you guys choose to do. All right, so that's Monday. Then on Tuesday, we are going to be starting a mystery science lesson. So we're going to start it together at our morning meeting and do what we can get through in 20 minutes. But it has a lot of really cool things in there about what makes bridges so strong. So you can click on the link and go through it yourself. So we're going to watch different videos and go through. I don't want to show you too much, but you're going to, after you finish, you can be thinking about how you're going to build a bridge with paper. And we're going to share our bridge at our morning meeting on Wednesday. If you need more time to build your bridge, that's okay. You can build your bridge on Wednesday. But I'd love for you to be able to share it. It's a bridge that you make with paper and pennies. Let me see if I can show you to the part where it's what it looks like. So this video will show you're going to create a bridge. You've got books and paper, and then you'll have to come up with something to put on top. It says pennies, but you might not have a bunch of pennies, so you can decide you can use any kind of coins, just anything small that weighs a little bit. So you'll think about different designs that you can have for your bridge. I can't wait to see what you guys build. Again, if you want to work on this more on Wednesday, if you don't have enough time to do the mystery science and the bridge, I just wanted to give you guys a fun project that you can work on. All right, on Wednesday, we can watch this video together, but if you're not able to come, oops, I closed out of it. So the part that you're going to do is the teacher video, so guiding students to make the bridges. So this helps you if you get stuck in your bridges. So you'll think about how you can improve your bridge. If you were able to make your bridge, you can think about how you can improve it and spend some time making improvements to your bridge to make it better. All right, you guys are going to love what we do on Thursday. So you're going to visit this website, and I'll show it to you guys at our morning meeting. But does this look familiar? Do you remember how we did a website like this when we were testing different building materials? So you can do the bridge challenge. That's your official assignment. So here, you're going to be building 4 new bridges to build the right bridge for the right location. So you've got to think about the type of bridge that you should build based on this information. If you want to do more things, after you've done these 4 challenges, you may need to read about the bridge basics, but this is a lot of what we would have talked about in the, look, there's the Golden Gate Bridge from the other video. If you want to do more than that, you can go into the Forces Lab. You'll have to allow Flash Player. But this was a lot of what, so compression, stretching, and I think the materials is what we did together. Yep, so this is what we did in class together a couple weeks ago when we were learning about building materials. So I hope you guys have a great time exploring that website. All right, on Friday, we're going to hop into Google Classroom. That's where your assignments that you turn in are going to be. I'm still going to be listing everything in It's Learning. So think of Google Classroom as the place where you go to get your assignments that you've got to turn in. It's kind of like me handing you a virtual piece of paper, and then you do your assignment, and then you virtually turn it in, and then I virtually give you some feedback on there. So there is a cheat sheet for you guys and for parents if you have any trouble using Google Classroom. But I'm going to show you how to hop on there, and it's like a reflection assignment for the bridges stuff that you've been learning about all week. So to log into Google Classrooms, you'll just go to your class link, and you'll click on Google Classroom, and then it will open up a page that looks like this, and you'll click on Bates First Grade Gifted. And so that'll show you, it'll say what you have to turn in by Friday. The top part just gives you a little information about Google Classrooms. And then here's your assignment. So you'll click on this assignment. Here is the, you can click on this to view the videos from Mystery Science again. And then if you click over here under where it says your work, you'll see the 3 questions that I want you to answer. I'm trying to keep it simple on Google Classrooms today, just so we can see if it's going to work out well, and if we like how you can turn your stuff in. I'm hoping that it's easier than what we were trying to do last week. So you'll answer these 3 questions, and then you can X out of it, and it'll ask you if you want to turn it in. So then you'll turn it in, It says one attachment will be submitted, and then you'll hit turn in. And that way I'll be able to see what you guys are working on, and it'll be marked complete by you guys. And I'll be able to give you some feedback directly in Google Classroom. So you can check back there, and I'll be able to tell you how your answers were. So that is everything that we have for this week. I hope that I will see you guys at our virtual meetings at 10 o'clock, but don't worry if you can't make it at that time. And please reach out. Google, or not Google, I'm sorry, It's Learning messages, and then of course my email is the best way to get in touch with me. I miss you guys, and I hope to see you really soon. Bye.